Google Voice Typing. It is the new feature of Google Docs. First, go to docs.google.com, then you go to Tools and Voice Typing. Then you start record. The performance will be good if you are on a quieter place. It's very useful for the students with disability and for the others too. Upside down text. Go to upsidedowntext.com, then type anything in the text box. Now copy the upside down text and you can use it in your Facebook to update the status or to send message to your friends for fun. Download Facebook data. Every day you post pictures, updates and things really important to you on Facebook. If you think about it, you're basically writing the story of your life as you go. Now how could you get a copy of it yourself? Actually you can. Just log in your Facebook, click settings and look for the option to download a copy of your Facebook data. In this way, you have an interactive copy of all the pictures, videos, messages and posts saved right to your computer. If you are a developer, it's very useful for the data analysis. Disposable email for hacking and security. Disposable email service allows you to create very quickly and easily email addresses so that you can check the inbox and forget about it. If you're looking at doing hacking website and if you want to leave a spam comment, it is very much useful. First go to mailletter.com, here guess an email address that you think and use it for your purpose. There is no registration process and there is no password requirement. The email box is automatically created by the mailletter server as soon as it receives the email. Adblock for your browser. Adblock is a plugin that you can add on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. Just go to your browser and add Adblock extension. Now, as you browse on the web, it filters the ads, viruses, junks and also blocks pop-ups so that your page loads faster. Fake Facebook likes and followers. Many of internet users are very eager for likes and followers every day. Some of them become sad due to fewer likes and followers. Actually, there is a way to increase the auto like for your Facebook posts and followers as well as for other social networking sites. Just go to admifast.com and sign up there. Then download iMacros extension in the latest Firefox and then add the script to the default folder. As you increase the points on your account, then you will be able to earn fake likes and followers. Prolong Search Recorder. Search and run the PSR from the Start menu on Windows. Click Start Record, and the utility will record your activities through a series of screenshots automatically, including captions that shows exactly where you click. You can also use the Add Comment button to highlight the specific areas of the screen and insert custom annotations. When you stop recording, everything will be stitched together and saved like a web browser compatible HTML file, which is finally zipped up. Incognito mode. Many of users use public computers every day, and if you're in this situation or you have to use one, it's really important to protect yourself. One of the simplest things you can do is private browsing. Almost all modern browsers have a feature for private browsing with incognito mode. It basically means nothing will be saved from a line section. When you're done, close the browser and there won't be any history or anything else about you for the next person to find. Now we're at last, so tell the Google to do a barrel roll. Surprisingly, you could see it really does.